Michael Jordan once said, "You can practice shooting 8 hours a day, but if your technique is wrong, then all you become is very good at shooting the wrong way. Get the fundamentals down and the level of everything you do will rise." Hi, my name is Brooke Meyer, and today we'll be working on the technique of one of the most crucial shots in basketball, the free throw. I'll be working with your footwork, the proper hand placements, and finally, the follow-through. According to the Nitty Gritty Basketball website, established in 1996, all players need a suitable routine to follow when it comes to shooting a free throw. We can start our routine with the proper footwork. So, this right here is a free throw line, if you didn't know that already. We want to start by placing our foot as close to the line as possible without going over it, because if you do that, you don't even get to shoot the shot. So, you want to get as close to the line as possible, and you want to put your feet shoulder-width apart, never ever too far apart or too far in, because it'll affect your shot in the end. So you want to get to the line, put your feet shoulder-width apart, and then you're going to want to squat into a 90-degree angle, or at least I do, because it helps with the power of your shot to make it get all the way to the basket. So, after we're comfortable with our legs, we can move on to the second part, and that is the hand placement. According to the Basketball Tips website established in 2005, shooting a basketball with the kinetic energy transferred from your legs to your hands. So, for our hands, you want to place your dominant hand, which is my right hand, on the middle of the basketball. You want to place your non-dominant hand on the side of the basketball, or on the side. You never want to have it too far forward or too far back, because it throws off the spin of the ball when you're shooting it. You also want to always have it on the tips of your fingers, never on the palm, because it affects the arc. So, after you're done with your footwork, you can add in your handwork and line up straight with the basketball, which then leads to our third point, which is the follow-through. Now, I always like to call the follow-through reaching into the cookie jar, because you want to extend your arm and then snap it like you're reaching into a cookie jar. And when you do this, it puts a spin on the ball, which is easier to tell if it's going in or not. So when you line up, your elbow, knee, and foot should all line up in the same order, which then results in a shot that looks something like this. In my case, I would make that. So, today we learned some very crucial tips that can help when it comes to shooting free throws. We learned the proper foot, hand, and follow through that will hopefully make your shot more eased and relaxed. Now we can look at my PowerPoint that we have.